Hey, Luigi, are we gonna take off the plumbing business today?
No, Mario. We haven't got a single phone call all day.
Okay, Luigi, but we have to get the call sometime because we need the money to get the house.
You're right, Mario.
I know, Luigi. Thank you for calling Super Mario Bros. Plumbing. What can we do for you today?
Hello, is this Super Mario Bro Plumbing?
Yes, it is.
Can you guys help me there? I played with teeth that came out of my toilet and all my pipes are clogged.
No problem.
No problem, sir. We'll be right there to help you fix your pipes. And we can also take care of the plants. Sorry about that, by the way.
3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I can't believe this plant is on my toilet.
You bathroom stinks.
Luigi? Beep, 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 beep. It's the Mario Bros. And plumbing is our game. Get all the fame and your singers in trouble. You can call us in the trouble. You'll be hooked on the brothers. We're here, Luigi. Let's go.
Guys, how are you doing today?
We're here to have you fix your pipes and take care of that stupid plant. Yahoo! Sir, we see what you're talking about.
Don't worry.
We can take care of it. We did it! Let's go! Yahoo!
Thank you, Mario Bros. How much do I owe you?
No problem. You're totally be $150.
That's cheap.
For my loving one true love, Princess Peach. Peach, you're so cool. And with my star, we're gonna rule. Peach, understand, I'm gonna love you to the very end. Peaches, 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 I love you. Oh, peaches, 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 love you. Roar. Mario, Luigi, and the Donkey Kong too. 1,000 groups of troopers gonna keep me from you. Princess Peach, at the end of the line, I'll make you mine. Oh, peaches, 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 love you. Oh, peaches, peaches.
Mario, you gotta help me! Hurry, Mario! Get the star! Ah! Hurry!
Peach and the star and Toad and that Yoshi over there for no reason. Because I'm gonna destroy the Mushroom Kingdom.
Like a fire effect, you know?